Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome to Update Study Practice channel. Today our topic is IBPS PO Prelims Memory Based Questions 2020 and this is our 21st question. Come on, let's read the question. I have already written the question in a separate paper. Let's read this and we can write the given clues in a separate page. Okay. In an annual seminar of 3 companies A, B, C, some male and female employees represent their companies. There are 3 companies A, B, C and some male and female employees are working there. Okay, this is the first clue. And the second one is average number of female employees who represent A and B is 420. Average number of female employees, that means A plus B divided by 2 is equal to 420. Total male employees in A and B is 162,620 and number of female employees is 2/3 and 2/5 of number of male employees in A and B. Number of female employees 2/3 and 2/5 of male employees in A and B. Total female employees who represent C are 25% more than the total female employee who represent A, and total male employee who represent C are 1/3% more than female employee who represent B. Now we can write the given clues from the question. The first clue is number of male employees who represent A and B is 420. Number of male employees here. Average number of male employees who represent A and B is 420. Therefore, average number of female employees. Average number of female employees. That means capital A and capital B plus divided by 2 is equal to 420. Am I right? See here, average number of female employees who represent A and B is 420. So, average number of female employees A plus B divided by 2 equal to 420. If you take 2 to the opposite side, the capital A plus B is equal to 840. Okay. Now, the second clue. Total male employee in A and B is 1620. Total male employee. Total male employee in A and B is 1620. Therefore, total male employee in A plus B is 1620. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. See, both are capital A, capital A, capital B, capital B. So it's a little bit confusing now. Now we can choose male as small a, B and C. Okay. Now transfer. Take male capital A is equal to small a, capital B is equal to small b, and capital C is equal to small c. So all males are A, B and C, which are small letters, not capital letters. Okay. Now transfer the capital A and capital B of male employees is small a to small and small b. Therefore, small a plus small b is equal to 1620. This is the third equation. Okay. Now the next clue. Number of female employees is 2/3 Note down number of female employees is 2/3 and 2/5 of the male employees in A and B. Already we take male as small a and small b. For confusing only they have given capital A and capital B. No, it's small a and small b. We represent that capital A, capital B and capital C for male members are small a, small b and small c. For female only it's capital A, capital B and capital C. For male it's small a, small b, small c. Don't confuse it. So female employees is 2/3 and 2/5 of male employees in A and B. So female employees is 2/3. That means capital A. Female employees is 2/3 and 2/5. See here, 2/3 and 2/5 of male employees in A and B. Therefore, 2/3 into small a, and for capital B, 2/5 into small b. Can you understand this one, guys? Capital B is equal to 2/5 into small b. Can you get this? These are the separate equation 4 and this one is 5. Okay. 2/3 female are capital A and capital B. Capital A is equal to 2/3 male employee in capital A. Capital for male it's small a. We already represent here capital A is equal to small e for male, and for female as it is capital A, B, C, and for male it's small a, B, C. Don't confuse it. Okay, using this equation 2/3 into male employee small a and 2/5 into male employee small b. But see here they given and. So and means plus. Therefore, we are going to add both of this. That means 2/3 A plus 2/5 B is equal to 840. Do you know how it's come? Yes, we are going to substitute capital A and capital B here in first equation. So substitute 4 and 5 in equation 1. We will get this. 2/3 A plus 2/5 B is equal to 840. Okay. Now we are going to solve third and sixth equation. Solve third and sixth equation. What's third equation? Is A plus B, small a plus b is equal to 1620. Note down a, small b are male employees, and 2/3 small a plus 2/5 small b is equal to 840. Now what we are going to do? We are going to solve this. Now solve this equation 2/3. So 3, 5. If we take LCM, it's 15. So 3 5s are 15. 5 into 2s are 10. So 10A plus 5 into 3s are 15. 3 2s are 6. 6B is equal to 840. Now take the 15 to opposite side. 10A plus 6B is equal to 840 into 15. What's the value of 840 into 15? 10A plus 6B is equal to 12600. 12600. Now we are going to solve this both equation to get small a and small b. Can we solve it? Yes. Now keep 10a plus 6b equal to 12600 as it is. Now multiply this A plus B. Multiplied using number 10. Okay. If you multiply by 10, what will get? 10A plus 10B is equal to 16200. Now change the symbol. Multiplied by minus for every 3 terms. Now 10A minus 10A gets cancelled. Here minus 4B and here minus 3600. 0, 0 gets cancelled. And then here now cancel minus symbol on both sides. Now 4B is equal to 3600. Therefore B is equal to 900. So B represent male. Small b represent male. Now we are going to substitute A plus B is equal to, what's the value? 1620 here. A plus B is equal to 1620. Now we are going to substitute B value 900 here. So now A plus B is equal to 1620. Substitute this 900 here. We will get 1620 minus 900 gives, what's the value of A? 0 to 16, 7. 16 minus 9, 7. So this is small a value. This also represent the male. A values of A value and B values of male. Now what's the next? What we are going to do next? Using this same A, B and value, we are going to found for female employees. That means capital A and capital B. What's capital A here? Capital A and capital B. Just we are going to substitute this small a and small b male values here. Here. Now substitute. This capital A is equal to 2 by 3 into A and capital B is equal to 2 by 5 into B. 2 by 3 into what's the small value of A? It's 720. If we cancel it, 2s are 240. Capital A value is 480. Now capital B value 2 by 5 into what is small b value? It's 900. 180. Therefore capital B value is 360. Now we have found male values for A and B and female values for capital A and B. This is a female one and this is also a female for A and B. Now let's see the next clue to find the C, capital C and small c. See here, total female employees who represent C. Total female employee who represents C are 25% more than total female employees who represent A. So both are female. Total female employee who represents C. So what will come here? Total female employee at C is 25% more than total female employee who represent A. So 25% more than means 125 by 100 who represent female employee at A. Who represent female employee at A. Total female employee at A. What's total female employee at A? It's 480. Substitute it, cancel it. 5s are 24 and here it's 25. 25 into 24, what is capital C value? 25 into 24 are 600. 0, 0, 4s are balanced to 600. Am I right? Yes. Now find the small c's value. What's the clue for small c value? And the total male employee who represents C. total male employee. Total male employee means it's small c. At C are 33 1/3% more than the total female employee who represent B. 33 1/3. 33 1/3 more than means plus 100. It's in percentage, no? 33 1/3 more than means plus 100. So 100 plus 33 1/3 in percentage means we have to divide by 100 into more than the total female employee who represent B. More than total female employee who represent B. What's the female employee value? 360. So here 33 into 3 are 9, 100, 100 by 3 plus 100 divided by 100 into 360. So 300 plus 100, 400 divided by 100. 400 divided by 100 into 360. What about this 3? 3 will come here. 3 into 100. 400 by 3. 3 will come down. Now cancel these two zeros. Therefore 4 by 3 into 360. So it's 120. 4 into 120. So the value of small c is 4 into 120 is 480. So this is the value of small c. This is a female capital C and this is the value small c male. Now we have found all the values for both male and female employees in 3 companies A, B and C. So now make a tabular column. I don't have a space here, so just I am writing here. For A, B, C, for male and female. Okay, just write here. So now what's the capital for male employees? I represent small a, B, C. For male employees it's small a, B, C. Write the values of small a, B, C here. A 720 for male employee, small a, B, C. And for B, male employee, it's 900. And for small c, we have found 480. And for female employee, it's capital ABC. Capital ABC is 480 for A, and B, it's 360. And for C, it's 600. These are for female employees. Again, I am saying capital A, B, C represent female employees and small a, B, C we calculated that represent male employees. So these are the 3 companies and their working male and female members. Now the first question. Now we derive and correlate the values of A and B, C for male and female. Using this only they will give 5 questions. We have to answer the 5 questions. It's a large process. Now the question is, find the difference between total male employees who represent C and total female employee who represent B. That means we have to find the difference for male employees in C and for female employees B. What is male employee in C? It's 480. And what is female employees in B? It's 360. So male employees who represent C is 480 and total female employee who represent B is 360. Therefore 480 minus 360 gives 120. This is the difference between male employees of C minus female employees of B is 120. This is the answer. So here I conclude, guys. Using this question, they will ask 5 questions. Using this paragraph, they will ask 5 questions. We derive and calculate capital ABC and small ABC. Using that only we are going to find the first question solution. The first question solution is, that means 21st question solution is 120. If you have any doubt, please comment it, and if you like it, please give thumbs up and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Happy day. All the very best. Tomorrow we will see with some more questions from the same paragraph. Okay. Thank you.